surprise, I would say. That's a pleasant surprise.
It is. No, it's lovely that it's